Come begin this journey with me. And just look up. Watch the clouds as they drift slowly across the sky. See how they change shape, never staying the same for more than a moment. Your thoughts are just like these clouds. As a worry or a task enters your mind, don't try to stop it. Just acknowledge it, label it, and watch it drift out of your field of vision. Some thoughts are heavy and dark, some are light and wispy. But all of them are just passing through. You are the sky. The clouds are just the weather. Take a deep breath in, smelling the fresh grass around you. And as you exhale, let the wind carry that thought away. Stay here for a moment, still, grounded, peacefully watching the world move by. You are exactly where you need to be.